Oh, Cesar Mark Jason Hill, Promise Arias, and moving up only one together with Precious Jewel. You are the one comes next, running by Darrell, batting out Promise and Directors Hunter is the early trailer. As all leader, that's you are the, that's only one by about 5 lengths. Mark Jason Hill now in second. Precious Jewel is racing in third, and in fourth you are the one. Tawa. Batting out Promise and Directors Hunter is still racing in last. That is still only one by about 2.5 lengths. Mark Jason Hill now trying to get closer in second together with Precious Jewel. Here comes You Are the One in fourth. Then followed by number 2 Tawa batting out Promise. Only one by only a leg. Mark Jason Hill now on the outside to take the lead. Now we have Mark Jason Hill by Orlenga. And in second now is Precious Jewel. Only one. You are the one. As they come down at the last 150 with Mark Jason Hill strikes away now by about 3 lengths. Precious Jewel remains in second. Only one. Last 75 meters. The horse of Mr. Benji Birata. Mark Jason Hill. Second. Precious Jewel, Promise, Tawa. You are the one, only one batting out, and Directors Hunter comes in last.
Okay, bayang karadista, para dito sa ating penultimate race number 12, ating unofficial winner, 3-horse Mark Jason Hill with LF Jesus. Masisegundo nga dyan numero sa East na si Precious Jewel, 7-horse Promise, at kung bless sa inyong quartet, numero 2, Tawa. Ating pong balikan ang replay dito sa ating race number 12.